I never use pesticides or fertilizers for my peppers, yet I've learned a secret from large-scale growers that allows each plant to yield hundreds of peppers. Today, I'll share these 3 tricks with you. Click the heart icon on the right and the plus sign above to bookmark and save them for easy access. First, maintain a spacing of 12 to 18 inches between plants and plant them in pairs. This facilitates pollination and makes it easier to remove seedlings if disease occurs later. Secondly, for pest control, mix 15 g of baking soda and 15 g of dish soap in 15 liters of water and spray this solution onto the leaves once a week. This effectively prevents diseases and pests on chili peppers. Third, after chili peppers bloom, dissolve 30 g of brown sugar in water and mix well, then irrigate with 30 g of this solution. This helps promote strong root growth and vigorous plant development, resulting in a plentiful and high-quality harvest. Follow me for easy tips on growing chili peppers.